Should you only rap on beats that you're connected to, or should you be able to rap on any beat? So before starting to make your first song, you need to pick a beat to rap to. A subscriber asked me how to pick beats to rap to, and I thought it was a really good question, and that's why I'm shooting this video right now. And it's not a simple answer. There's actually two main answers depending on where you are with your skill level. Right now, I'm in a basement. I'm in the basement of my place, and I have to be quiet because my wife is sleeping, and my neighbors might be sleeping, and the babies might be sleeping, and the dogs too. So again, I'm gonna cover two different ways of picking beats depending on if you're a beginner or advanced rapper. Let's start with if you're a beginning rapper, how should you pick beats to rap to? As a beginning rapper, there are already way too many things holding you back from even starting to rap, like overthinking, analysis paralysis, a whole lot of self-doubt and fear, and overall just a lot of negative self-talk. Rapping is kind of like public speaking, which is considered the most common fear for people. So because rapping is performance, you're going to be scared, and so it makes sense why you have a lot of excuses or a lot of fears when it comes to starting to rap. This is why you don't want to add beat selection to the list of obstacles that are already in your way. So I went through a lot of this when I was starting and wasted a lot of time being way too picky with beats. This slowed down my process of getting rap skills, and I know I could have gotten better a lot faster if I wasn't so picky from the beginning. When you're starting out, you're trying to build your skills in the fastest way possible. And to do this, you need to get started yesterday, meaning you don't have time to be picky with beats. You should be challenging yourself to freestyle and make songs on all types of beats, even beats you don't like. This is what's going to really build your skill in the fastest way possible and make you ready for anything. Have you ever seen famous rappers on a radio show get hated on for not wanting to rap on a specific beat? They'd be like, no, that's not my beat. That's not for me. Give me another one. Give me another one. I don't want to rap on that. That's whack. And this makes them look like they don't have the skill to rap on any beat. As you get better at rapping, people are going to ask you to freestyle or make a song on a beat that might not be your first choice. And you need to be ready to kill any beat, because if you say the beat is trash, people are going to think that you're using this as an excuse because you're scared to rap or because you're just not confident in your skills. And again, you'll see this with pro rappers on radio shows saying that they're not going to rap on a certain beat. But again, you got to be ready for anything. This is why I recommend making full songs and freestyling on as many different beats as possible when you're starting out. Okay, so what types of beats should you be rapping on? When you're starting out, and even when you're more advanced, you want to pick really simple beats that really showcase your voice. The problem with beginning beat makers is they tend to make beats too complicated and do a little too much. As they get more pro and more experienced, they learn how to tone it down to leave space for the rapper. So overcomplicated beats can be really distracting. And again, the more simple and predictable a beat is, the more space you have to shine as a vocalist and a rapper. So definitely pick predictable and simple beats so that you have space to shine and make the song interesting with your flow and your voice. Your voice is very powerful. A lot of pro rappers will rap on very simple beats, but they'll make the song sound more complicated just by what they're doing melodically, with their flow, with their lyrics, and with layering their voice. So when you pick a beat, you want to feel like you're able to easily play with the beat instead of the beat playing with you. You want to feel like you're in control, you're the master, you're able to just have a lot of fun on the beat. And that's really hard to do with beats that are too complicated and that have too many instruments. So if a beat has like a crazy solo or too many conflicting instruments, I will usually pass on that beat for something that's just a lot more simple and maybe more emotional, with just like really simple emotional chords. Even just a straight up simple drum loop can really work, and a lot of famous rap songs are made on super simple drum loops. All right, I'm gonna get to my tips for advanced rappers in a second. So where do you get simple but high quality professional beats? You could buy a lot of beats on BeatStars. There's a lot of simple, nice beats there. The problem with BeatStars is that the beats can be really expensive because you want to buy a lease for unlimited use in case maybe your song blows up. So you don't have to keep on rebuying the beat over and over again because it can really add up. So it's better to just pay one time for unlimited use. It's usually $100 to $200, and that can actually add up a lot. Like if you have 10 beats, that could be $1,000 to $2,000 for just like one mixtape. Yeah, so I think BeatStars is too expensive, but I did some research and I found a beat site that you can buy beats on for a lot cheaper, and it's called Fiverr. And I actually have a beat pack that I found on there that was only $7, and I bought 32 beats for $7. It was like a 30 beat pack, and it came with 2 extra beats. With beat packs, you're not gonna like all of them, but it's worth it if you find just a couple that you like. So there's a few beat packs that I really liked on Fiverr, and I'll have a link below to like a full list of different beat packs that I recommend. And you also be able to sign up for Fiverr for free. And if you want to help the channel, just use the link below to sign up for Fiverr if you haven't already. Sign up for a new account, and that actually helps me get some burrito bowls so that my wife and I don't go hungry. So if you want to help feed us with burrito bowls because we're gluten-free, just use the link below, sign up for Fiverr free, and I'll also have a list of all my favorite beat packs on there. So you'll feed the hungry, you'll get beats for the best deal, and I'll owe my life to you. Just kidding, I'm not gonna owe my life to you, but you're gonna get some awesome beats. The beat pack that I recommend on my list, it's a pack of 32 beats for only $7, and that same guy also has a beat pack of 120 beats for only $20. And these are all beats that I reviewed. It's my favorite beat pack on Fiverr. I actually reviewed all these beats in a different video because they're all very simple, they're predictable, they're easy to rap on, they're great for freestyling, for making songs, and this way you're not gonna get copyright strikes. And they also have an unlimited license, which means you could get like 1 billion streams, and you get to keep all the money. You pay once, and then you can just sell it, do whatever you want with the beats, rap on them, record on them. I think you just gotta give the beat maker credit to write the beat maker's name on there, and that's it. You can sell as many of the songs and stream as many songs as you make on there as you want. Again, all you gotta do to get that beat pack is use the link below, sign up for Fiverr, you'll see a link to sign up for free. You'll get a free account, then you'll be able to just use the heart button to start saving different types of beats on different types of beat packs. And if you just want my full list, I'll have that list below of the beat packs that I already checked out. A lot of them I already bought, I checked out. And again, my favorite are gonna be on the top 2 of the list. Those are my favorite beat packs. I think it's the same beat maker. He just giving a ton of beats is the best deal, and his beats are actually the easiest to rap on. So not only the best deal, the best beats to rap on, super cheap. Now, if you're an advanced rapper, if you can already freestyle for over 5 minutes straight, if you've already recorded a couple songs, then I have some slightly different tips for you. If you're an advanced rapper, it's okay to be a little bit more picky with the beat because you've already broken through a lot of excuses holding you back from rapping. You've already made some songs, you've already been able to freestyle. So now you're feeling confident in your skills. When you're confident in your skills, the way to pick beats is with your heart. You want to only rap on beats that you feel connected to, beats that inspire you, beats that move you. And what I like to do is pick beats that I feel in the moment. Like if I feel really dark in the moment, a happy beat is not really going to work for me. I'm going to try to find a dark beat to express a dark mood. Or maybe I'll pick a happy beat and rap something really dark on it. But usually I'll try to find a beat that matches my mood, because I know if I find a beat that matches my mood, it's going to inspire something real, something grounded, something that I can relate to, something that I would want to hear as therapy for myself. And because I like it and because I feel like it's healing for me, most of the time other people who have been through similar feelings are going to relate to that too. So again, when you're an advanced rapper, stick to beats that you're feeling in the moment, and your feelings are going to change from moment to moment. So for example, let's say you bought one of the beat packs I recommended of like 120 beats or 32 beats. Depending on the day, some of those beats are going to feel great to you, and other days different beats are going to feel great to you. So it's just going to depend on day, depending on your mood, depending on your feelings. But whatever comes up, just start writing from that feeling. As an advanced rapper, you want to just start getting more vulnerable, start sharing more of your story, start being fearless, and just express all your weird stuff over beats that you feel like match your current present mood. Okay, so the second thing for advanced rappers is what type of beats do you rap to? And it's the same answer. You want to pick beats that are simple, beats that are predictable for you. They can have a little bit more switch ups, but you really still want to keep the beats simple so that you can shine as a vocalist, as a lyricist, and you could play with the flow, you could play with the melody, and you could start experimenting and showing off everything that you can do, because everyone's going to rap on a beat differently. Like with the beat packs below, probably a lot of people will probably want to check out the beat packs. And some people worry like, oh, I don't want to rap on the same beat as someone else. But that's a big part of hip hop. A lot of people rap on the same beat because they know they can rap in a different style. Everyone is inspired in a different way. There's no right way to rap on a beat. Everyone's going to be rapping on a beat in a totally different way with a totally different flow. Like I might hear one flow that you would never hear, and you might hear some flows on the beat that I would never come up with. So that's the cool thing about music, is that there's a million different directions it can go. You're going to come up with unique flows on these beats. I'll come up with different flows, and so we'll make totally different songs even if we're rapping on the same beat. So again, you can go on BeatStars and try to find beats that match your mood, but it can get really expensive, like I said, and that's why I recommend Fiverr, because there's also people on there who will make custom beats for you based on a mood or based on a style. Like you can send a beat maker a style of beat you like, and they'll replicate it and make it slightly different so that you can have full rights and ownership of a beat making song. I have another video that I'll link below where I review all the beats, so you can check them out. So I hope I answered the subscriber's question. Thank you for asking that question. It's a really important topic, how to pick beats to rap to. And if you need help with your rapping, I'll have a link below to my rap course. And if you want beats, check that link below. Make sure to sign up for Fiverr for free using my referral referral link below. There's no extra cost to you. Fiverr hooks me up to help me buy burrito bowls, and you guys can explore Fiverr, and it really helps out the channel. So thanks again. Feel free to post songs that you make with the Fiverr beats below in the comments, and I'll check those out and give you some feedback. All right, thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.